Good day. My name is Joshua Glenn N. Fiesta, Bachelor of Secondary Education student, major in General Science at Philippine College of Science and Technology. Today, our lesson is cell. Cell is the basic structural, functional, and biological of all known living organisms. There are two types of cell. First is eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cells are the cells that contain a nucleus and organelles and are enclosed by a plasma membrane. Second type is prokaryotic cell. They are the simpler and smaller than eukaryotic cell. Then for parts of eukaryotic cell, there is a nucleus. Nucleus is a membrane-bound structure that contains the cell hereditary information and controls the cell's growth and reproduction. Next is endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is primarily concerned with synthesis, folding, and modification of proteins, especially those that need to be delivered different organelles within the cell or secreted from the cell. Or it is the quality control. Next, smooth endoplasmic reticulum is largely associated with lipid or fat manufacture and metabolism and steroid hormone production. It also has detoxification function. Golgi apparatus. It receives biochemicals in bulk flow from the rough endoplasmic reticulum. It is the only organelle in the cell that receives, sorts, modifies, concentrate, packs, and dispatches biochemical for use inside and outside the cell. Next is plasma or cell membrane. Plasma or cell membrane is the boundary between the cell and its environment, so it regulates what enters and exits the cell. Next, microtubules are involved in mitosis, cell motility, intracellular transport, maintenance of cell shape, and keep organelles in place. Next is centrosome. Is an organelle that is the main place where cell microtubules are organized. So organizing changes to the shape of the cell membrane that allow the membrane to pinch into during cell division. Next, ribosome serves as the site of biological protein synthesis. So they link together specific amino acids to form polypeptides, and they export these to the cytoplasm. Next is lysosomes, are organelles that contain digestive enzymes, so they digest excess or worn out organelles, food particles, and engulf viruses or bacteria. Next, cytoplasm is a thick solution that fills each cell and is enclosed by the cell membrane, mainly composed of water, salts, and proteins. A framework of protein scaffolds called the cytoskeleton provides the cytoplasm and the cell with their structure. Transport dissolved nutrients around the cell and move waste material out of the cell. It also have mitochondria, referred to as the powerhouses of the cell. They help turn the energy we take from food into energy that the cell can use. Next is cilia, are eyelashes-like structure, microtubule-based organelles that project from the surface of cells and serve both motor and sensory functions. And flagellum is a whip-like structure that acts primarily as an organelle of locomotion in the cells of many living organisms. Then microfilaments. They have roles in cell movement, muscle contraction, and cell division. To make a cell move, One end of the actin filament stretches out while the other end pulls itself in tighter. For the second type, which is prokaryotic cell, it is a single cell organisms. First part is capsule. This additional outer covering protects the cell when it is engulfed by other organisms, assists in retaining moisture, and helps the cell adhere to surface and nutrients. Source of nutrition when nutrition supplies is low in cell. And cell wall is an outer covering that protects the bacterial cell and gives it a shape. And last but not the least is pili. Pili is a hair-like structures on the surface of the cell that attach to other bacterial cells. And that is it for my instructional video. Thank you.